A very pleasant good afternoon to one and all present here. My name is Betsy C. Baiju, and today I, along with my co-host Levina, second year Farm D, will be taking you through today's ceremony.
It is often said that when God pushes you down to the edge of difficulty, two things can either happen. Either He will catch you when you fall, or He will teach you how to fly. To begin the auspicious day with the blessings of God Almighty, I would like to call forward Asha Kishore, third Farm D, with the prayer song. Thank you, Asha.
Small cheer and great welcome makes a merry feast. I would now like to invite Anantu P. Venu, 4th year B Farm, to welcome the gathering.
A very pleasant good afternoon to one and all. It is a great honor that I am here before you all to address the gathering, and I feel honored to be given the chance to welcome you all on this auspicious occasion. I would like to begin by welcoming our profound Managing Director, Dr. Sister Betty Carla, our beloved principal, and our beloved principal, Teslin Sister, and all our talented and reverend teachers, especially Akshay sir and Bobby sir, who help us to coordinate this program. And a huge welcome to all my dear students. It is with great difficulty that we all have come together. Even in times of crisis, it is a huge step and a great initiative by third years to bring forth life to our cultural activities. So I will not take much of your time. So I conclude my speech with a note of gratitude to one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Anantu. That was indeed delightful words to hear.
Great leaders don't set out to be a leader. They set out to make a difference. It's never about the role, but always about the goal. May I now please invite our beloved director, Dr. Sister Betty Carla, to address the gathering.
Yeah, respected faculty members, dear students. I heard that the Rivera program has gone very well. Actually, we could not see that, but Bobby sir told me that the programs were very good and keeping a very good international level like. That is very happy to hear like that, because the students, they are having their own platform. They cannot assemble here because of the pandemic. But anyway, you have done a good job. The organizer told me that the programs will be visible for everybody later. So we are expecting to see that. Anyway, I'm happy that the programs went on very well and it was of very good standard. Now the university competitions and the college competitions are pending. We cannot do it these years. But anyway, we wait for a future occasion for conducting such programs. So at present, what you have done is marvelous. And I appreciate the works of all the leaders, the faculty members, the organizers, and the student organizers, and all the participants. Congratulations to all of you and wish you good luck. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your kind words of wisdom.
If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more than you are a leader, I would now like to invite our esteemed principal, Sister Teslin, to share her kind words with us.
Sister has gone to Lakeshore Hospital and I think she may join later. You can proceed or call her.
The best teachers are those who tell you where to look and not how to see. May I please invite Professor Bobby to address the gathering.
Good afternoon to all. Respected Director Dr. Sister Betty Carla, respected Principal Dr. Sister Teslin, my dear colleague teachers, my dear students, and I have to mention Akshay sir's name also. First of all, I want to congratulate all of you for the wonderful performance you have performed in the past cultural event, Rivera 2021. Okay. So actually, I'm very thankful for inviting me to evaluate some of the event as well as to this function. I'm very, very much thankful to the organizers. Also, I want to congratulate the organizers for organizing such a wonderful event, especially the FAMD students as well as our DFAM students who are behind the scene. So all of them have coordinated it very well. I was evaluating some of the programs. Many times I was in a dilemma how to evaluate it because the programs were wonderful. I understand one thing, most of you who have participated in this event, you all are wonderful artists. You are having full of talents, full of potential. So please utilize them in your future also, because our pharmacist job as well as a hobby in life will be very helpful for you in your future also. In that way, I would like to congratulate all the participants who are taking part in this event, various events. I would like to congratulate all of you. So keep it up and wish you all the best. Once again, I congratulate all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your encouraging words, sir.
There is no success without failure and no winning without losing. And the greater glory never comes from winning, but in rising each time you fall. May I now invite our beloved Tahimon sir to declare the winners of Rivera 2021.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. A pleasant good afternoon for all St. Josephians. Thank you for calling me. First of all, let me appreciate all the organizers and participants for this online Rivera program. I happen to be one evaluator for few entries. Thank you for calling me that also. So all are talented, but we had to decide some winners. That's a problem with all these events. Okay, so let me announce the winners. Are you ready all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the second runner-up, we are starting from the back. Okay, it's the third B Farm with 136 points. Okay, 136 points, the third B Farm. And first runner-up is shared between second Farm D and second B Farm. So both got 192 points. And so the winner is our new juniors, the first B Farm, 208 points. Okay, so thank you for calling me to announce this, and thank you and enjoy. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words, and also thanking all the winners on this Rivera 2021.
Gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. The more we express gratitude for what you have, the more likely you will have even more to express gratitude for. I would now like to invite Hari Krishnan, third Farm Day, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, all. Thank you as a word is really small, and yet it speaks volumes and volumes of gratitude that one cannot begin to express. I'm honored to be standing here before you all, giving the vote of thanks. I'd like to start off by saying what a difficult process this has been. We had so many hindrances our way, so many technical issues, and we had doubts regarding the student participation. But at the end of the day, I'd like to thank God Almighty for helping us achieve this successfully. I'd like to thank Dr. Sister Betty Carla, our beloved principal, Sister Teslin, our very valued teachers, and above all, huge thanks to all the students who cooperated with us and helped us in making this event a successful one. I'd like to highlight a huge thanks to all the wonderful teachers who agreed to be the judges despite their tight schedules. Thank you for taking out the time from your lives to help us in making the event a grand success. Last but not the least, I'd like to thank Akshay sir for his continued support from the beginning. This event would have been lost somewhere in the middle, but your guidance means so much to us. Thank you, sir. I'd like to end my vote of thanks by saying thanks to each and every one of you for helping in making this event a memorable success, for helping us prove that even in times of crisis like the one we are just now facing, if we all work together, there is nothing we cannot achieve. Thank you all.
It was truly a pleasure to be your host today. Thank you all for your kind cooperation and support. Wishing everyone a good day ahead. That's all. Thank you and take care.